steel or something.
1,000-year-old.
Yeah.
Christmas. Redneck Olympics. This is the new one for this one. Ooh. Oh, there you are.
Yeah.
That's funny.
That's the shit Jim didn't get out. Hopefully his powder coater is better than Jim's.
Well, they're local, so.
Yeah.
And they're people we actually know.
Yeah, it actually might give a shit.
Yeah. Something about dealing with local customers probably makes you give a shit more.
Yeah. I think. Yeah, it's aqua or something. That must have been a respray, I think.
Maybe.
Because the way it's on the frame isn't very uniform.
Well, nothing was very uniform from the factory.
Yeah, I guess that's
Wow. There must be a fuck ton of dirt in there.
Yeah.
If it's shooting water up that high.